Hey Max, what's going on? Did you like those little puffs to eat? Did you like them? Do you want some more? Is that what you're saying? So you want some puffs? Oh, you're not demanding like before when you're slapping your hand. Oh, is that how you say, can I have some puffs, please? Is that what you're saying? Translation? Yeah? Oh, those are good, huh? They're sweet. Those are some good puffs. There's another one up there. Hey, good stuff, huh? Yeah, pretty good. So how old are you now, Max? You're gonna be 9 months old soon. In less than 2 weeks. Can you believe it? 9 months old. You'll be walking soon. That's it. You want some more? You want some more? Is that what you're saying? Do you want some more? Yes? Is that yes? Yes? Do you want some more? Hey, Max. Oh, you got one. Okay, well, we'll check back with you later, buddy. See ya.